Install Outlook on your mobile device. Tap on the Google Play Store app to open it. In the search bar, type Microsoft Outlook. Find the official Microsoft Outlook app. Tap the Install button. Once installed, tap Open. Now, this is the crucial part. Your screen should look like this to ensure that your Outlook setup is correct. Enter your email address and then tap Continue. If your setup is correct, this is what should appear on your screen. Tap Outlook. Enter your Microsoft 365 password. Then tap Sign In. Tap Maybe Later. Tap Turn On. Tap Allow. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your Outlook on your mobile device. Send and receive emails. Tap the New Mail or Compose button. Type the recipient's email address. In the subject field, type a brief description of your email. In the message body, type your email content. Tap the Send button to send the email. It's done. New messages will automatically load in your inbox. Tap on an email to open and read it. Check your other email folders. Tap your picture icon. You can now select the folder you want to check. I tap on the folder Dep Ed Email, M365. That's it, thanks.